Hey everyone, today I'm going to introduce you all to anti-aliasing and aliasing. So what is anti-aliasing? Anti-aliasing is a crucial technique in computer graphics that helps smooth jagged edges and pixels. It creates a visually more appealing and realistic image. It also plays a vital role in achieving high quality graphics, particularly in areas with high contrast or fine details. Aliasing and its effect. Aliasing has main three effects: jagged edges, moire patterns, and flickering. Aliasing can cause unsightly jagged or staircase effects on a diagonal line and curved surface. Aliasing can also lead to the appearance of distracting moire patterns, particularly in high frequency textures and patterns. Aliasing can cause objects to appear to flicker or shimmer, making the image appear unstable and distracting. Aliasing can be overcome using supersampling. So what is the concept of supersampling? Supersampling is an anti-aliasing technique that involves rendering the image at high resolution and then downscaling it to the final resolution. Advantages of supersampling. Supersampling can effectively reduce aliasing artifacts, providing a smoother and more detailed final image. Drawbacks. Supersampling can be computationally intensive, requiring more processing power and memory to render the high resolution image, which is a main drawback. Multisampling. Multisampling has three main steps: sample, combine, and smooth. Sample. In this, multiple samples are taken within each pixel. Combine, as the name suggests, the samples are then combined to determine the final pixel color. Smooth. This helps to smooth out the jagged edges and reduce the aliasing artifacts. Texture mapping basics. It involves three basic points: UV coordinates, seamless patterns, and realistic details. UV coordinates. Texture mapping involves mapping 2D texture images onto the 3D surfaces of a model using UV coordinates. Seamless patterns. Textures are often designed to tile seamlessly, creating a continuous pattern across the surface. Realistic details. Texture mapping allows for the addition of fine details and realistic surface characters to 3D models. Texture coordinate generation. Texture coordinate generation is of three types: planar mapping, spherical mapping, and cylindrical mapping. In planar mapping, the texture is projected onto the model using a simple 2D plane. In spherical mapping, the texture is mapped into a spherical surface which is useful for objects like planets or balls. In cylindrical mapping, the texture is mapped onto a cylindrical surface which is useful for objects like cans or pipes. Texture filtering methods. There are three: nearest, bilinear, and a trilinear. Simple and fast can result in pixelated or blocky texture, which comes under the nearest. Bilinear. It interpolates between neighboring pixels for smoother results but can still exhibit blurriness. Trilinear. It combines the bilinear filtering with the map level blending for high quality anti-aliased textures. Conclusion and summary. Importance of aliasing. So what is the importance of aliasing? As seen, anti-aliasing techniques are essential for achieving high quality realistic computer graphics by reducing visual artifacts. Texture mapping essentials. Texture mapping allows for addition of detailed surface characteristics and patterns to 3D models. Continuous improvement. As hardware and software continue to advance, new and more effective anti-aliasing and texture mapping methods are being developed. Thank you for giving your Thank you. नंतर कट कर ऐकून घ्या ते.